Hello everyone, welcome to Tala Food. What can we do with just 2 potatoes at home? Today let's make a quick, simple and super delicious potato dish. We slice 2 medium-sized potatoes. One teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of basil, 4 tablespoons of cheese powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of oil. Two tablespoons of oil. Don't turn the fire. Let's put the potato first. Now we turn the fire, keep it low heat. We put the lid on and cook for 3 minutes. We take off the lid and check the color of the potato. If it's already golden, we flip to the other side and cook 3 minutes more. Remember to keep the low heat, if not, the potato will get burned. Now the potato is ready. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.